Hello everyone and welcome to another Voluta digital release form tutorial. Today we're going to be going through the form options that your clients will be seeing when using the app. The app we're using today was specially designed for teaching you about the basic functionality across all of our release form apps, so it will be the same steps no matter which app of ours you're using. Let's jump right in. First up, we'll get into the app and head to settings. It'll ask you to enter your employee passcode. The default is 1234, or if you changed it, use your custom passcode. If you'd like to know how to set up a custom passcode, click the pop-up in the top right to watch the tutorial. But now we head into the settings and enter the master passcode to get into the options and scroll down until we get to the form options. We'll start with the automatic emailer function. This will allow you to automatically send a custom PDF to your client as they complete their release form. To do this, we'll enable the function and link it up with the email account of our choice. Then we turn it on, input a custom subject line and email body if we'd like, and then simply select a PDF to attach from one of our linked cloud services. We can also do the same thing here with the completed waiver, and it will send it to them after the release form is completed and you're connected with the internet. After you hit save, the app will send a test email to the email address we just linked to. Back in the form options menu, we have an initial pop-up option. This will appear at the start of the app after your client photos their ID. Just turn it on and input some custom text to greet your clients. Also in this menu, we have optional client notes, which will bring up a box in the app allowing your clients to add a few notes about the service they are receiving. Next, we'll be taking a look at the additional form options. This will allow you to set up an additional form for your client to read at the start of the release form, the end, or both. Select a PDF from your connected cloud service, and if you require clients to scroll through the entire waiver. In form options, you also have the ability to require the email of your client, a second form of government ID, and enabling or disabling the photo capture of ID at the start of the app. When you're done changing any options in the settings menu, just tap Save and Verify, and success. All of your changes have been saved. Thank you for watching this Voluta digital release form tutorial. Be sure to check out our YouTube channel with more tutorials on how to set up and best utilize your app. And don't forget, if you're ever offline and unable to watch one of our videos, you can always head into your app and go to our How to Set Up and Use FAQ, and when you are connected, use our support page for more help.